Hello, everyone. A very good morning to all of you. Welcome to Jatadhara Educational Technology. I am Tripti, and we are here for our morning maths classes. So, children, let's get started with our today's session. Today, we are going to, do some more questions on area. So, this is area part 3, right? Okay. So, today, we will be finding the area of complex figures. There is a park in the shape of a square of side 100 meters. There is a path of 5 meters wide around the square. Find the area of the path. So it's not just a square. Uh, the square has a side of 100 meters, but there is a path also. Okay, 5 meters wide. So this is the park which is square in shape, and this is the path. This is 5 meters wide. Okay, this path is 5 meters wide. We need to find the area of the path only the path. How we'll do it? Anything coming in your mind when you see this situation? How to solve it? Okay, so let's see how we do it. Over here, we have, you know that the path is 5 meters wide. That means 5 meters we are extending from here. Okay, and 5 meters we are extending from here. Right? 5 plus 5, 10. That means 100 was the inside one. And if you add 10 to it, that will become 110. So will be on this side because you know all the sides of square are equal. So all the sides will be 110. This was 100, 5 extended from here, 5 extended from here, 110 it will give me. Yeah. So what we can do is from the outer square, like if we find out the area of the outer square, and from that area, if we take away the area of inside square, then that will be, in that case, like if we find both the areas and subtract the inner square from the outer square, in that case, we can get the area of the path. Let's have a look how. 110 meters times 110 meters, which is it is 12,100 square meters. This is the area of the outer square. Now finding the area of the inner square. Inner square has a side 100 meters and 100 meters. So we will do 100 meters times 100 meters, which is equal to 10,000 square meters. We got the outer, we got the inner. What we will do from the outer, we will take away the inner area so that we can get the area of the path, right? So 12,100 minus 10,000 is the area of the path, which is 2,100. 2,100 is the area of the path. Easy? Because there is no other way of finding the area of the path. Okay. Let's go to the next question. There is a park in the shape of square of side 40 meters. Okay. There is a path of 10 meters wide around the square. Find the area of the path. So I want you to do this first. Okay. Please do it. Come on, come on. Just outer minus inner. You will get the desired result. I hope it's done. Okay. So here, how do we do it? over here, if I find the area of the area of the inner square, which is the park, is 40 times 40 meters, which is equal to 1600 meters square, right? Now, you know that the path around it is 10 meters. So extending 10 meters from both the sides, like 10 here will be 20. So 40 plus 10 here, 10 that side will be 60. That means the side of square is 60 meters. 10 here, 60 meters. Okay. So the area of outer square, the outer square is 60 meters times 60 meters, which is equal to 3600 meters square. Okay. Now, area of the path, it's outer area minus the inner area. Outer is 3600 meters square minus inner area is 1600 meters square, which is equal to 2000 meter square. Okay, 1 second. Yeah, so here, again repeating, inner one is 40 meters times 40 meters, which is 1600 meters square. Outer is, 1 second. Yeah, outer is 60 times 60. Okay, which is equal to 3600 meters square. Outer minus inner is 2000 meters square. Right? Let's move on to the next question, dear children. There is a park in the shape of square again of side 50 meters. There is a path of 10 meters wide around the square. Find the area of the path. The same question, just the 1 second, just the measurements are different. Come on, do it. Okay, now moving on to how to calculate this. It's area of the outer and then the inner. To find the path, we need to do outer minus the inner area, right? Okay, let's see how we can do this. If we talk about the inner square has side of 50 meters. 50 meters times 50 meters, 5 times 5 is 10, and then 2 zeros, which is equal to 1000 meters. Wait, sorry, I'm sorry. I did a mistake here. Okay, so 5 times 5 is 25, and then 2 zeros right here. Okay, that is 2500 meters square. If I talk about the outer, actually the path is 10 meters wide. Okay. Last question. 1 second now. 50 and 40, 10. Okay, this is 50, 10. Okay, the path is 10 meters wide. So 50 plus 10, that means here and here. So, yeah, 50 plus 10, 10 there, 10 here. So 50 plus 10, 60 plus 10, 70. That means the side is 70 meters. Here also the side is 70 meters. So 70 meters times 70 meters, it is 4900 meters square. because 7 times 7 is 49. Okay. To find the answer of, like the area of the path, you have to do 4900 meters square minus 2500 meters square. Yeah. 2 zeros the same way. 9 minus 5 is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. 2400 meters square. Okay. So this is the answer. Let's do the next question, dear children. Over here, we have the next question. This time, we have a rectangle. There is a park in the shape of a rectangle, 100 meters length and 60 meters is the width or breadth. There is a path of 5 meters wide around the park. Find the area of the path. So what we do here is length and width is given. Okay. But the path, obviously, path will be of the same width. Okay, so here 100 meters is the length, 60 meters is the width. Path is of 5 meters. So if I see the length, 100 meters, if I extend 5 meters from both sides, that means 10 meters in total. So 100 plus 10 is 110. So our length is 110 for the outer one. For the inner one, length is 6, width is 60 plus 5 plus 5, 70 meters. Now, moving on to the area of the outer rectangle. Area, you know, is length times its width. So, 110 times 70 is 7,700 square meters. Area of the inner circle is length times width again, 100 times 60, which is equal to 6,000 square meters. Now, whatever will be the difference will be the area of the path. Area of path is outer rectangle minus the inner rectangle, 7,700 meters square minus 6,000, which is equal to 1,700 meters square. Right? 1,700 meters square. Yeah. Let's do the next one. Here. There is a park in the shape of a rectangle 80 meters by 50 meters. There is a path 10 meters wide around the park. Find the area of the path. Do it. Come on, dear children. Okay, so over here, let's do this. Area of the outer. We have to find the area of the inner. And then we have to find the area of the path. So if I talk about the outer one, the length is 80 plus 10 plus 10 on both the sides, which is equal to 100 meters. And the width, if I talk about the width, sorry, it's 5. All right, children, let's do this. So sorry for that. So 80 plus 10 on both the sides, it's 100 meters. Then if I talk about the width, 50 plus 5 on both the sides, that will be 60 meters. Okay, so outer is 100 times 60, which is equal to 1 6, yeah, I'm sorry, wait. Okay, 100 times 60, 6,000 meter square is the area of the outer square, outer rectangle. Then if I talk about the inner one, 80 meters times 50 meters, which is equal to 8 times 5 is 40, and then 2 zeros, it is 4,000 meters square. To find the area of the path, you need to do outer minus the inner. Yeah, outer one is 6,000 meters square minus the inner one is 4,000 meters square. Here we can see the difference of 2,000, which is the area of the path. Okay, that's how you have to do it. Okay, now another question, dear children. It's a little bit different. Uh, okay, so here there is a park of square shape, and you know what? In that only the path is on the 3 sides. Find the area of the path. Okay, I'll tell you a way to do this. So that way is very exciting. Over here, as you know that the path is only on 3 sides, what we can do here is, how much is the path? Yeah, here 1,000 meters is the side of a square, path of 10 meters. 10 meters, 10 meters, 10 meters. So what I can do is, outside if you see, I will make it as a rectangle this way. Okay. And this also I can make a rectangle. So I've got 3 rectangles here. This is the first one. If you see, this is the first rectangle. This is the second rectangle. This is the third rectangle. So if I talk about the length, like, sorry, this of the rectangle, the width, here it's, this is 1,000 plus 10. This is 1,010 and this is 10. So area of the first rectangle, okay, it's 1,010 times 10. That's how you can do it. Okay, so it will be 10100 meter square, 10,100. Because I took this length and the breadth. It was 1,000 earlier, 10 added 1,010, and this is 10. Similarly, the area of second rectangle, that will also be the same. 10,100 meters square because the measurements are same, okay, for this and this. Area of the third rectangle, what will it be? This is 1,000, right? This is 1,000 from here to here, and this is 10. So 1,000 times 10, this is 10,000. Okay, now area of path. We have to find just that much now. This, so this green figure, this, and this. Okay, so area of first plus the area of the second plus the area of the third rectangle. 30,200 meters square. Okay. One second. Yeah, so that's how you can do it. So yeah, children, that's all for our today's class. I'll see you in the next class. By the time, take care and keep practicing. Thank you so much for joining. Bye-bye. Have a good day. See you.